Marvel Rifles throwing error codes at you every time you launch or try to play? Stick around as we break down the real reasons behind these crashes and connection errors, and how to fix them step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to fix errors in Marvel Rivals. Whether it's a GPU conflict, server overload, corrupted files, or just bad timing after a patch, we will help you pinpoint the cause and fix it fast. Let's jump in. Method 1. Accept the user agreement. Check top corner on the game launch screen. If you see any prompt to accept the user agreement, click to accept or acknowledge the agreement. A simple restart of Marvel Rivals can often resolve temporary glitches. So, you can restart the game and check. If the issue persists, restart your PC. Method 2. Update the game. The next step is to update your game. If you do not have the latest game update, you might face these kinds of issues. If you bought the same game via Steam, then open Steam and head to Library. Now, right-click on the game and select Properties. Then go to Updates and then make sure Always Keep This Game Updated is selected. Once done, relaunch the game and check. Method 3. Verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and downloads the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 4. Check the game server status. Visit the official Marvel Rivals website, their social media handles, or a service like Down Detector to see if the servers are down or experiencing issues. Make sure your game is fully updated to the latest version. Method 5. Test your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. You can check the internet speed from speedtest.net from another device provided if it is connected to the same internet. If the internet connection is slow, then contact your service provider for help. You can also restart your router or modem and check if that works. Method 6. Change DNS. You can also try changing the DNS and see if this can fix the error. To change DNS, type Control Panel in the Windows search box and choose the first option. Next, set the View By option to small or large icon, select Network and Sharing Center. Now, select your internet connection next to Connections. Then open its properties. Or you can select Change Adapter Settings. Then right-click on your internet connection and select its properties. Search for Internet Protocol version 4, right-click on it and open its properties. Set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and save the changes. You can also switch to the Cloudflare DNS server. For that, set the preferred DNS server address to 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS server address to 1.0.0.1. To save the changes, click on OK. Once done, restart your PC. Once the PC restarts, relaunch the game and see if the issue is fixed. Method 7. Update the network drivers. Outdated drivers can lead to connectivity issues while playing games. So you can update the network drivers and see if this can fix the issue. To do so, open Device Manager using Windows Search. Head to the Network Adapters section and expand it. Right-click on your network adapter and select the Update Driver option. Choose Search automatically for the drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 8. Run Steam or the game as administrator. Next, you can run the game with administrative privileges. Sometimes the game file may require administrative privileges to run. Here is how you can do so. Right-click on the application you're using to launch the game. Next, select Show More options. Open Properties, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 9. Update graphics drivers and run the game on the dedicated graphics card. Make sure to update the graphics drivers before you start gaming. This should help you avoid issues while gaming and boost your gaming experience. Here is how you can adapt and update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Go to the Display Adapters section and expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver and choose Update Driver option. From the next window, select the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest driver. You can also visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the descriptions below. Now download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. When the device restarts, open the app again to check for updates. Download and install the available updates. If you have multiple GPUs for your computer, then make sure you use the one exclusively for gaming. This ensures a better gaming experience. Here is how you can check if you are running the dedicated graphics card. However, this depends upon your operating system and the graphics card you are using. Press the Windows key plus R to launch the Run utility. Type dev mgmt.msc in the Run command box and hit Enter or click on OK. Expand the Display Adapters section. Here, you will find the two adapters, one for your dedicated graphics card and the integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card should have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed. So run the game with the dedicated graphics card. Method 10. Flash DNS and reset WinSock. Flashing the DNS will clear all the DNS cache. You can also reset the network settings. If the game is showing errors due to network-related issues, then this should fix the problem. Here is how to do so. Type CMD in the search menu and right-click on the command prompt. Select to run as administrator. Copy and paste the following commands in the elevated command prompt window. Press the Enter button after each command. ipconfig/flash DNS, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ip reset, netsh winsock reset. Once done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. And that's it. Now you know what's behind those Marvel Rivals error messages and how to fix them. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tech solutions. Still stuck or found a different workaround? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other out and keep the Marvel Rivals community strong.